Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. I'm getting ready for an ugly sweater party. And I'm not really sure what to do with the sleeves because I'm so lazy. And I was like, I'm not detaching these, sewing them smaller, and then reattaching them. It's just not going to happen. It's just an ugly sweater party. Let's just have fun with this. Domain sleeves or something like that. That's kind of the look you get when you don't detach the sleeves and then reattach them. You just kind of sew it all together, and that's what I did. I'm quite happy with how it came out, and I'm going to show you how it looked when I actually wore it that day. You could see, like, I'm just so excited about it. Yeah, okay, so let's get to the actual day of. This is how I put the outfit together. I put on some arm warmers that I made like years ago from old socks. So that's the black things that you see on my hands and on my arms. My headband is from what I did last time when I cut up my grandma's old nightgown and I made that to my size. That's the headband that I'm wearing. I'm wearing leggings and then a pair of high socks because that's like my signature look. And then I wanted to show you guys me in front of the tree. So happy holidays, everybody. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video. I know I'm not the place for tutorials, but if you're just looking for creativity and keep things out of the landfill, I think that my channel is fun for that.